Okay, so another thing we have to check is we have to check our connecting rod bores on the big end, and we also have to check our main bores on the block. These are our bores, you guys. I know it's a really short bore, but still it's a precision bore. Every bit as much as the cylinder is a precision bore, so is this. So to check this, we're just going to take our dial bore gauge or a T gauge. You can use a T gauge in here just like we did on the cylinder bore. We're going to take our dial bore gauge and we're going to set it in there, and we're going to find the smallest point. And you can see we've calibrated this to our rod size, and you can see this rod is right on 0. To do tapering out around, we're going to go in like this, we're going to go diagonally this way and diagonally this way, and we're going to check that bore to see, make sure it's round. Rods are very susceptible to be coming out of round, so it's important that you check this. As far as taper goes on the rod, very simply, we're just going to measure one side right at the edge there, and then we're going to go in to the other side. We're going to go right to the edge over here on this side, and we're going to check to see if it's tapered. So we're going to measure one side of the bore and the other. We're going to compare those two readings, and that's our taper. Now, this is also true with the main bore. We're going to use the same process on the main bore of the block. We're going to torque the main bore onto the block without the bearings. We're going to set our gauge, or we're going to use a T gauge, and we're going to check that main bore for taper and out of round.